Learn skin problems vocabulary words in English. Blackheads. Small clogged pores on the skin that appear black. I have blackheads on my nose. You can remove blackheads using a face scrub. Whiteheads. Clogged pores with white pus inside. He gets whiteheads on his chin. Don't squeeze whiteheads, it can leave marks. Acne. A skin condition that causes pimples, especially common in teenagers. She has acne on her forehead. Acne often gets worse in summer. Eczema. A skin condition causing itchy, dry, red patches. Her eczema gets worse in winter. Apply moisturizer to reduce eczema. Ringworm. A fungal skin infection that causes circular, red patches. I have ringworm on my arm. Ringworm spreads through skin contact. Psoriasis. A skin disease that causes red, scaly patches on the skin. My psoriasis flares up in cold weather. You should visit a dermatologist for your psoriasis. Hives. Raised, red, itchy bumps on the skin caused by an allergic reaction. She got hives after eating peanuts. Hives can be very itchy and uncomfortable. Warts. Small, hard bumps on the skin caused by a virus. He has a wart on his finger. Warts can spread if not treated. Boils. Large, painful, infected bumps on the skin caused by bacteria. He has a boil on his leg. Boils can be very painful to touch. Blisters. Small bubbles of fluid that form on the skin. I got blisters from walking too much. Hot oil can cause painful blisters. Pimples. Small red bumps on the skin, often caused by blocked pores. I get pimples during hot weather. Stop touching your pimples, they'll get worse. Freckles. Small brown spots on the skin, often caused by sun exposure. She has freckles on her cheeks. Freckles become darker in sunlight. Dermatitis. Inflammation of the skin that causes redness, itching, and swelling. I developed dermatitis after using a new soap. Dermatitis can cause severe irritation. Skin tag. A small, soft growth that hangs from the skin. She has a small skin tag on her neck. Skin tags are usually harmless. Age spots. Dark spots on skin due to aging or sun exposure. My grandmother has age spots on her hands. Age spots appear more after 50. Rash. Red, itchy spots or patches on the skin. She got a rash after using a new soap. Tight clothes can cause a rash in hot weather. Sunburn. Red, painful skin caused by too much exposure to the sun. I got sunburn after staying at the beach. Use sunscreen to avoid sunburn. Chapped skin. Dry, rough, and cracked skin, usually caused by cold weather or dryness. My lips get chapped in cold weather. His hands get chapped easily in winter. Ingrown hair. A hair that grows back into the skin, causing small bumps or irritation. He has an ingrown hair on his leg. Ingrown hairs can be painful. Scabs. A hard crust that forms over a healing wound. Don't pick the scab, it will scar. The scab fell off after a week.